Hello student and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am going to do Word Module 10 SAM Project 1A Borrowing Group Complete or Master Document. Basically this is the 10th module of Word session of this course. Now I will do this assignment step by step and you can get complete solution of this assignment by watching this video. If you want me to do assignment for you and if you want me to do complete course for you including all Word assignment, Excel assignment, PowerPoint assignment, or an Excel assignment, then you can text me on my WhatsApp or an email address that will be given in description of this video. You can also hire me for other courses like accounting, cost accounting, financial management, budgeting, math, stat, information technology, computer sciences, marketing, business math, business accounting, English, and all writing assignment as well. So let's start this assignment and solve this assignment step by step. Our first thing is title of assignment. So title of assignment is New Perspective World 2019 Module 10 SAM Project 1A. So get started. Open the file NPWD 1910A first name, first and second last name. So simply and available for download from the same website. Dear student, I have already downloaded the file and this is our Word document I have already downloaded from the Cengage. You can also download from the Cengage website. Now I will move to important thing, and important thing is project steps. Total project steps 14. Now I will start from first one. First I read the instruction of step 1. Okay. Ted Brewing founded Brewing Group, a consulting company in Los Angeles, California that specializes in automating supply chain for global manufacturers. The company is seeking investors as it prepares for a major expansion. Ted has started to write a business plan in a Word document, and each of his three partners has created a section to insert into the document. Ted has asked you to work with his document as the master document to complete the business plan. So important thing is our that. Now I read the important thing. Insert sub-document as follows to include the section from the three partner. Okay. So let's start part A. So let's start part A. These students step have also four condition. First condition A, second B, third C, fourth D, and fifth E. Okay. Now will I start from condition A. Turn formatting marks on. So simply go to the words file and also solution file and go to the home tab and go to the formatting on. Okay, this one. This is our step number 1 and condition A. Okay, now I will move to condition B. First read the condition B. Okay, first color it and now read. Switch to outline view and then show the contents of the master document. So simply go to the sheet and go to the view, then go to the view tab and select the outline. Sorry, view, and go to the outline, this one. This is our condition B. Finally, I have done the condition B. Now I will move to condition C now. Okay. This one condition C. Now I read the condition C. On page 4, the blank page before the index heading, insert the file listed below as a sub-document in the following order. Okay, first thing is sport WD 1910A excuse sum. Okay, this one. Okay, simply go to the file now. Okay, then go to the Word file, also solution file, and saying that page number 4 before the index heading. Okay, before the index heading, this one, okay, and show document and insert the this one and open. Okay, again go to the insertion file, also sport WD 1910A background. Okay, go to the insertion file, solution file, and also insert what and insert this one, sport WD 1910A background, and open. Okay, again go to the instruction file and also support WD 1910A analysis. So simply go to the solution file and insert analysis, this one, and open. Okay, this is our step number 2 and part C. So part D is saying that unlike each of the three sub documents so that they become part of the master document and then close outline view. Simply go to the Word file, solution file, and go to the page 4 now. This one. Okay, and this one, and unlike. Okay, and again company background here, and unlike. Okay, and further go to the market overview and unlink, this one. This is our step number D, and now I will move to step number E now. Okay, important, leave formatting market turn on for the remaining step in this project. Okay, also I have done the step number this one. Oh sorry, and close the outline view. Okay, this one, and also this one also. Okay, this is our step number 1. Now I will move to step number 2 now. Step number 2 have three part A, B, and C. Now I read the step 2 now. Okay. On page 4, changing the style of the executive summary heading as follows to suit the format of a business plan. Part A, apply a multi-level list numbering style that shows a number followed by the heading 1 text, and B, modify the heading number to add a period after each heading number. Update the heading 1 style to include the numbering. Okay, first we go to the page 4 and go to the executive summary. Okay, this is our go to the, this is our, this one, and go to the home and, sorry for, okay, go to the home tab and then go to the paragraph and this one, okay, and this one, okay. Further, this is our part A. Now I will move to part B. Modify the heading number to add a period after each heading number. Okay. Also I have done after each heading. Go to the home and this one. Okay. And go to the instruction and go to the part C. Update heading one style to include the numbering. So simply go to the here and apply the, apply the, apply the heading one style is our part. Apply the, go to the home and go to the style and apply this one. This is our step number 2 and part C. Dear student, I have done this step number 2. Also, dear student, I am doing this assignment step by step. If you have any question or a query, then you can text me on my WhatsApp or email address that will be given in description of this video. Also, I am available for 24 hours for your exam, for your quiz, for your complete courses, and for your assignment. If you want, then you contact me on my WhatsApp or email address that will be given in description of this video. Also, I am providing other courses like accounting, cost accounting, financial management, budget, math, stat, information technology, computer sciences, English, and all writing assignment as well. Dear student, you can also make a deal with complete courses, complete assignment solution, and quiz, and also exam on reasonable price. So I will move to step number 3 now. On page 5, in the second paragraph, after the 3 mission heading, replace the hyphen in day to day with the non-breaking hyphen to keep the word together on the same line when heading index code. Okay, simply go to the page 5 and go to the day to day sentence. Okay, go to the solution file and go to the page 5. Okay. This one, this one, this one. Okay. then go to the insert and go to the symbol and go to the more symbol and go to the spatial calculator and non-breaking icon, insert and follow this one again. Before the here, go to the insert option, also go to the symbol and then go to the more symbol and more characteristic and non-breaking one and insert and below this one. This is our step number 3. Dear student, I have done this step number 3. Now I will move to step number 4. Dear student, total step of this assignment 14. I have already done step 3. Further, if you have any question or a query, then you can text me on my WhatsApp or email address that will be given in the description of this video. I am also available for 24 hours for your assignment, for your complete courses, for your quiz and for your exam. If you want, then you can tag me on my WhatsApp or email address that will be given in description of this video. Now student, I will start the step number 4 now. Okay. Add caption and cross references to the chart figure as follows. Letting word insert the figure number instead of X below the number of client year 1 to 5 chart. Add the following caption. Figure X. Sorry. Part 4 have also 3 part. Part A, B and C. Now we move to the part A. Below the number of clients year 1 to 5 chart, add the following caption. Figure X projected market in year 1 to 5. So first, dear student, copy this caption. Control C. Then go to the references and go to the insert caption and here and sorry, you simply go to the expression file and go to the and select the and find the chart. Okay, and find the chart. This is no. This one. Simply select and go to the references and then go to the insert caption and here paste and okay. This one. This is our step number 4 and part 5, part A. Now I will move to part B now. Okay. Below the projected quarterly income year 1 chart, add the following caption. Figure X projected income in the first year. Okay, simply you copy the caption. This one, copy, Control C and go to the projected quarterly income year chart. Go to the solution file and find the chart now. And find the chart now. This one. Select and go to the reference and go to the instruction caption and here paste and okay. This one. Dear students, this is our step number 4. Finally, I have done the step number 4. Now I will move to step number 5. Before moving to step number 5, dear student, I am doing this assignment step by step. Further, according to the instruction file. Further, if you have any question or a query, then you can text me on my WhatsApp or email address that will be given in description of this video. Dear student, I am doing this assignment according to the instruction file and I am doing each and everything according to the instruction file. Further, if you have any question, then you can take me on my WhatsApp or email that will be given in description of this video. Now I will move to step number 5 now. First read the step number 5. Okay. On page 3, below the list of figure heading, insert a table of all the figures in the document using the default setting. Okay. Dear student, this step I am explain on the Word solution file. Simply you go to the Word file and go to the page 3 and below the list of figure. Okay. Go to the file and go to the page 3. Go to the page 3. This one. Okay. This is our. Then go to the references and go to the insert table figure and okay. This one. This is our step number 5. I have finally done the step number 5. Now I will move to step number 6 now. Dear student, total step of this assignment 14, and now I have finally done the step number 5. Now I will move to step number 6 now. Step number 6 saying that delete all the section breaks on page 4 to 10 to prepare for numbering pages. Okay, this step is simply, and you simply delete the break section. Okay, simply go to the end pages 4 to 10 and go to the solution file and go to the page 4. This one. Delete and page number 5. Delete. Okay, go to the page number 6, have no break, and page 7 also have break, and select and delete. This is our step number 3. I have done the step number 3. Dear student, this assignment have 14 points, and now I have complete 6 steps for your, and remaining step I have left for your own. Further, if you want complete solution of this assignment, then you contact me on my WhatsApp or email address that can be given in description of this video. If you understand not solving this assignment, then you contact me on my WhatsApp or email address that will be given in description of this video. Also have complete solution of this assignment. Also I have complete solution of this chapter. Also I have complete solution of this course. If you want, then you contact me on my WhatsApp or email address that can be given in description of this video. Dear student, also I am humbly request to you subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Also like and comment on my videos. I will meet in next video. Bye bye.